More keys there, sorry. More keys, keep going is what I was giving you. Yeah, that's better. I just used the wire.
Diane come with you today? No. We'll see. Shit. I'm kind of tired today too. But thanks for coming last night. Was it good? Cool. Thank you. Yeah, I saw you had it on Facebook before I even got home.
Before I even got in the car.
I didn't know Tice played drums in this band.
All right, we're going to try a new one for a sound check.
He's a great drummer.
We're going to work out the kinks right in front of you.
You guys, did I tell you goodbye last time? Okay, because I was like, I do have my bike, okay? Oh, did I leave it with you? Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, thank you. I'm talking again apparently today.
know I can't decide them all. Tell you where to put it, and I tell you who to call. Nobody can get no sleep, there's someone on everyone's toe. But when Quincy Eskimo gets here, everybody's gonna want to know. Come on without, come on within. You've not seen nothing like the mighty grin. Come on without, come on within. You've not seen nothing like the mighty Queen. Come on without, come on within. You've not seen nothing like the mighty Queen.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks for coming to our sound check, folks.
Check, check. All right. Got what you need? Cool. We are Kerosene Willy, and we'll be right back. It's not a horrible